Hello everyone and welcome back to Learn English with Jay and Anna. I'm Jay.
And I'm Anna. It's great to have you with us today.
Today we're going to answer lots of useful small talk questions that you can use in everyday conversations.
Small talk is one of the most important skills in English.
Whether you're meeting someone for the first time or talking to a coworker, making new friends, or attending an event, small talk helps you start a conversation naturally.
And the best way to improve is by hearing real questions and real answers.
That's exactly what we're going to do today.
We'll talk about daily life, hobbies, food, travel, work, technology, family, and much more.
As you listen, think about how you would answer each question.
You can even pause the video and answer before we do.
Don't worry if you don't understand every word.
Just relax and enjoy the conversation.
Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to Learn English with Jay and Anna.
We create easy English conversations, listening practice, and English podcasts to help you improve your speaking skills.
And if you enjoy this lesson, give it a like so more learners can find it.
All right, Jay, are you ready?
Ready.
Let's begin with some everyday small talk questions. How was your day today?
It's been pretty busy, but it's been a good day. I finished a few projects and had time to go for a walk. What did you do last weekend?
I met some friends for lunch, did a little shopping, and spent some time reading. What are your plans for next weekend?
I'd like to relax, meet some friends, and maybe start a new book. What's something you're looking forward to right now?
I'm looking forward to my next holiday. It's always exciting to plan a trip. Do you prefer mornings or evenings?
Definitely mornings. I feel more productive and focused early in the day. What's your favorite season?
I love spring because the weather is pleasant and everything feels fresh and new. What's your favorite thing about the current season?
I enjoy the longer days. It feels like there's more time to do things outdoors. Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog. He's friendly, energetic, and always happy to see people. Do you prefer living in a city or a rural area?
I'd probably choose a smaller town. I like having a quieter environment but still being close to shops and restaurants. What's the most recent book you've read?
I recently finished a mystery novel. The story was so interesting that I couldn't stop reading it. What's something you've learned recently?
I've been learning a few phrases in another language. It's challenging but very rewarding. What's your favorite way to spend a day off?
I enjoy spending time outdoors, visiting a cafe, and catching up with friends. What's one thing you're grateful for today?
I'm grateful for good health and the opportunity to keep learning new things every day. Those are some of the most common everyday small talk questions you'll hear.
And they're perfect for starting conversations with friends, coworkers, classmates, or even someone you've just met.
Next, let's talk about hobbies and interests.
What hobbies or interests do you have?
I enjoy reading, traveling, and watching documentaries. I like hobbies that help me learn something new. What's your favorite hobby?
Probably reading. It's relaxing, and I always learn something interesting. Have you watched any interesting movies or TV shows recently?
Yes. I recently watched a travel documentary that made me want to pack a suitcase immediately. What type of music do you enjoy listening to?
I listen to many different types of music, but I usually prefer something calm and relaxing. Do you play any musical instruments?
Not anymore. I learned a little when I was younger, but I haven't practiced in years. What's a skill you'd like to learn someday?
I'd love to learn how to play the piano. Do you prefer indoor or outdoor activities?
Outdoor activities. I enjoy walking, hiking, and spending time in nature. What's your favorite way to relax after a busy day?
I enjoy reading a book and having a cup of coffee or tea. Have you ever started a hobby and then given it up?
Yes. I once tried learning magic tricks, but I didn't practice enough to get good at them. What's something creative you enjoy doing?
I enjoy writing and coming up with new ideas for projects. Do you enjoy learning new languages?
Absolutely. Learning a language helps you understand new cultures and meet new people. What's one hobby you'd recommend to other people?
Walking. It's simple, healthy, and anyone can do it. What's the most interesting thing you've learned from one of your hobbies?
I've learned that being consistent is often more important than being talented. What's one hobby you'd like to try in the future?
I'd like to try photography because it seems both creative and fun. Now let's move on to work and career questions. What do you do for work?
I work in education and content creation. I enjoy helping people learn new skills. What's your favorite part of your job?
I enjoy seeing people improve and become more confident. How did you get started in your career?
It started as a small project and gradually became a full-time career. What's one skill that's important in your job?
Communication. Being able to explain ideas clearly is very important. What's the best career advice you've ever received?
Start before you feel ready. Experience is one of the best teachers. What's something you've learned recently at work?
I've learned that listening carefully to feedback helps you improve much faster. Do you work better alone or as part of a team?
I enjoy both, but I like teamwork because you can learn from other people. What's one challenge you've faced at work?
Learning how to manage my time effectively. There always seems to be more to do. Do you have any career goals?
I'd like to continue growing professionally and keep improving my skills. If you could try any job for one day, what would you choose?
I'd love to be a travel writer and explore different countries. What's your dream job?
Something that allows me to keep learning, teaching, and helping others. Do you prefer working from home or in an office?
A mix of both. I enjoy the flexibility of home and the collaboration of an office. What's one thing that motivates you at work?
Making progress and seeing positive results. What's one skill you'd like to improve this year?
I'd like to become even better at public speaking. What's the most valuable lesson you've learned from work?
Consistency is often more important than talent. Now let's talk about one of everyone's favorite topics.
Food and travel. What's your favorite type of food?
I love Italian food. It's simple, delicious, and full of flavor. Do you enjoy cooking?
Yes, I do. I enjoy trying new recipes, especially on weekends. What's your favorite meal of the day?
Breakfast. I think it sets the tone for the rest of the day. What's one food you could eat every week?
Probably soup. There are so many different kinds to choose from. Do you prefer eating at home or at restaurants?
Most of the time I prefer eating at home, but I enjoy restaurants for special occasions. What's your favorite restaurant dish?
I really enjoy grilled fish with vegetables. What's one food you'd like to try someday?
I'd love to try more traditional dishes from different countries. Do you prefer sweet or savory food?
Definitely savory. I usually choose a meal over dessert. What's the strangest food you've ever tried?
I once tried a fruit I'd never seen before while traveling. It was surprisingly good. Do you like trying new foods?
Yes. It's one of the best ways to learn about different cultures. Now let's talk about travel.
One of my favorite topics. Have you traveled anywhere recently?
Not recently, but I'm already planning my next trip. What's your favorite place you've ever visited?
A place with beautiful scenery, great food, and friendly people. Where would you like to travel next?
I'd love to visit Japan. The culture and history seem fascinating. Do you prefer relaxing holidays or adventure trips?
A combination of both. I like exploring during the day and relaxing in the evening. What's the most memorable thing you've done while traveling?
Watching the sunrise from the top of a mountain. What's your favorite way to travel?
By train. It's comfortable, and you get to enjoy the scenery. Do you prefer traveling alone or with other people?
With other people. Sharing experiences makes them more memorable. What's one country you'd recommend visiting?
I'd recommend any place where you can experience a different culture and meet local people. What's something you always pack when traveling?
A good book and a portable charger. Now let's move on to family, technology, and modern life. Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I do. We get along well and enjoy spending time together. What's your family like?
My family is very close. We enjoy talking, laughing, and spending time together. What's something you enjoy doing with your family?
I enjoy sharing meals and having long conversations together. Do you have a best friend?
Yes. One of the things I value most is that we can talk easily even after a long time apart. What's one childhood memory you'll never forget?
Getting my first bicycle. I was incredibly excited. Where did you grow up?
I grew up in a small town surrounded by nature. Who's someone that has inspired you?
My parents. They've always encouraged me to keep learning and improving. What's one important lesson you've learned in life?
Not everyone will agree with you, and that's perfectly okay. What's one thing you're proud of recently?
I'm proud of staying consistent with some personal goals I've been working on. Now let's talk about technology.
A topic that comes up in conversations all the time these days. What's one piece of technology you couldn't live without?
Probably my phone. I use it for communication, learning, navigation, and entertainment. Have you tried any new apps recently?
Yes. I've been using a note-taking app to organize ideas and tasks. Do you prefer Apple or Android devices?
I prefer Apple because I find the devices easy to use. What's one technology trend you find interesting?
Artificial intelligence. It's changing the way people work and learn. Do you think technology has improved our lives?
Overall, yes. It makes information and communication much easier. What's one app you use every day?
A messaging app. I use it to stay connected with family and friends. Do you enjoy learning about new technology?
Yes. Things change so quickly that there's always something new to discover. What's your typical daily routine like?
I usually wake up early, exercise, work, and spend some time reading in the evening. Do you prefer staying in or going out?
A bit of both. I enjoy going out with friends, but I also enjoy relaxing at home. What's one thing that helps you relax?
Reading a good book or going for a walk. What's one healthy habit you try to maintain?
Getting enough sleep and exercising regularly. What's one thing that brings you joy?
Spending time with family and friends. Now let's put everything together with a short role play.
Alright Anna, let's imagine we've just met at a party.
Sounds good.
Hi, I'm Jay. Nice to meet you.
Hi Jay. I'm Anna. Nice to meet you too.
How was your day today?
Pretty good. I've been busy, but it's been a productive day.
That's great. What do you do for work?
I work in marketing.
Interesting. What do you like to do in your free time?
I enjoy reading, traveling, and spending time outdoors.
Nice. Where would you like to travel next?
I'd love to visit Japan someday.
That's on my list too.
See how easy that was?
Exactly. A simple question can lead to a natural conversation.
And you don't need perfect English to have a good conversation.
You just need a few useful questions and the confidence to ask them.
Today we covered questions about daily life, hobbies, work, food, travel, family, technology, and modern life.
Try listening to this lesson again and practice answering the questions yourself.
That's one of the best ways to improve your speaking skills.
Before we finish, here's our question for you.
If you could travel anywhere in the world next year, where would you go?
Write your answer in the comments. We'd love to read it.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please give the video a like.
And subscribe to Learn English with Jay and Anna. For more English conversations, listening practice, and speaking lessons.
Thank you so much for joining us today.
Keep practicing, keep learning, and keep speaking English.
We'll see you in the next lesson.
Bye everyone.
Bye for now.